Hello and welcome to Garden Goodness Australia. In today's video I want to talk about plant guilds. So plant guilds are basically a group of plants that you can put together that support each other and also help to bring nutrients out of the ground. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm looking to grow a tomato. This is a Carmelo tomato, a really nice sweet eating variety. And what we want to do is make sure that this tomato has the right supports that it needs to thrive in the garden. So a lot of gardeners will tend to plant all their tomatoes together, all their capsicums together, those sorts of things. And what that means is you tend to get a higher disease risk. So what we want to do is to support the plant health with a companion plant. So we're going to choose Pyrethrum. Pyrethrum is a fantastic companion plant because it keeps aphids and other bugs away. It's also a good flowering plant, so it can help attract pollinators that can actually pollinate these tomato flowers and encourage them to fruit. So there's the second member of our plant guild. I've also got some packets of climbing beans that would be great to plant with our tomato. If you're clever, you can put a couple of stakes either side of your tomato and the climbing bean might actually climb up those stakes and ensure beautiful bean pods around our tomato plant. At the same time, these beans are great for nitrogen fixing. So they actually help take nitrogen out of the atmosphere and put them in the soil, and they then feed that nitrogen back to both our companion plant in the Pyrethrum and also to our main plant in our plant guild, the tomato. So that's 3 plants in our plant guild. I'd also like to add another companion plant for a couple of reasons. We have here some basil. Basil is actually really nice with tomatoes anyway, so it's a great companion food, but it's also great to plant with tomatoes because they tend to work really well together and they protect each other. The basil gets the advantage of the Pyrethrum, helping protect it from the bugs that may eat its leaves as well. And if you notice, they're all different varieties, so it's less likely for diseases to spread between the 4 different members of this plant guild. So this is just one example of a plant guild you can have. You can also have fruit tree based ones. Often people have perennials with those. You can add a lot more flowers to your plant guild as well, but this is just a basic example of how you can plant your veggie garden out. One thing you'll notice with the plant guild is you won't just have veggies or edible plants. You often have flowers, pollinators, companion plants mixed in. The advantage of that is you can turn your veggie garden into partly a flower garden, which looks great and encourages a lot of really healthy veggie growth. But at the same time, you can start to move some of your veggies into your flower garden as well, because it will help promote more productivity in your garden. So give it a crack. Have a go at starting a plant guild in your garden, and if you want any more help, come down to Garden Goodness and we would love to help you with some ideas. Thank you very much.